The 2-day SolidWorks Sheet Metal class is the best way to quickly learn how to leverage this advanced tool set. Here's a breakdown of what you learn. You first get started with sheet metal features, the basics, like base flanges, edge flanges, miters, hems, and tabs, while also learning the fundamentals of how to work with and standardize sheet metal parts, like managing your gauges, bends, and other templates. Then you dive into additional features like creating flat patterns, jogs, cuts, corner treatments, and detailing your sheet metal designs by creating 2D shop drawings. Then you get into advanced techniques to extend your expertise, where you learn to work with forming tools, tabs and slots, imported geometry, multi-body parts, and even converting traditional solid shapes into sheet metal parts. And that's it. In 2 jam-packed days, you learn all you need to master this tool set so you can get your designs done faster. Check out our site to sign up today.